Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain how can you get rid of foot fungus by using baking soda. How can you get rid of foot fungus by using baking soda? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. So let's dive in. So after finishing that procedure, it is done. So it is like this. Baking soda has antifungal properties, so helps to kill the fungus to your foot. But also, baking soda had the ability to dry, also to remove the wetness in the foot, because as you know that fungus, they grow well in wet areas. So baking soda also help to remove the wetness of the foot and make it to become dry. So baking soda has antifungal property, but also had the ability to make the foot to become dry. So when you do that way by using baking soda and you see there's not any improvement, make sure that you see a doctor for more medical treatment. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.